This is the Coros Apex 4. I just received it in the mail today. I'm going to show you what's in the box. This is their newest smartwatch, fast and light, train smarter, voice bands, audio alerts, Apex with performance. I'm going to do a full review and test on the main channel, so you can subscribe at Shervin Shares or follow me on Instagram at Shervin Shares. So all comes here. You want to download the Coros app. You got the 24mm silicone band. I love the all white bands. They just look so clean. This feels very much like an Apple Watch type unboxing. You have the band in one box and the watch in another. Get the Apple style ripping off the tape here as well. Comes right out of the box. There it is, the Apex 4. I'm probably going to wear this at the next World Major Marathon, where I wear 6 watches, testing them out. Juicy, look at that. Looks clean. You got the dial right here. Button on this side. We have the Coros charging, the heart rate monitor, and then the watch bands will go on the top and the bottom. So what's unique is the newest Coros chargers actually just come with a keychain and then a USB-C charger. So you don't have to carry an entire cable. You just need to carry this device. It is a bit harder to lose, and the old cables don't always fit the new chargers, even though it kind of looks the same, which is a bit disappointing. But I do like that it's a small form factor, and I don't have to carry a lot more. Got our manuals and stickers. Watch band right here. Look at that. Ooh, silicone. I love that it's got these little ridges, so when you sweat, the water doesn't stay on your wrist. It kind of gives a little bit of breathing room so you can dry your wrist easier. I do appreciate that. We've got the little hooks here for inserting into the watch. Go ahead and slide that in there. Top of the band. Boom, there it is. This is what the watch looks like. We can power it on to see if it boots up. I think we might have to just charge it. This is the Apex 4. Looks clean. Subscribe, turn notifications. There's a link down in the description below. If you click that link, help support the channel.